I'm Alex Kitt. I just presented on It's Not About Big Data, It's About the Right Data as part of the AWS workshop on AI for welding. I talked about the key differences between the world of manufacturing and welding and the world of finance and marketing, where the data is huge and it comes to you for free. In our world, it's really hard to get data. And we have to be very careful about making sure it's the right data. So that spans from selecting the right sensors to making sure your data sets represent all the production bad stuff that can happen, to acquiring that data in a scalable way, and finally putting that data in a database that's findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. We got to talk about some work EWI has done in ultrasonic metal welding, where we use real-time process monitoring to predict if welds are going to be good or bad without doing destructive peel testing. We talked about work we're doing in electron beam directed energy deposition, where we use sensor data in real time to decide what post-process measurements should be performed to make sure the part is good. And we also talked about some real-world best practices in applying industry standards and developing industry standards for data flows and data storage. We like to remind people of the cost of big data and how cloud storage costs you money, buying servers costs you money, buying sensors costs you money, maintaining sensors costs you money, and that recognizing that big data isn't necessarily good is a key lesson. You can reach out to me at akitt@ewi.org is the most direct way to reach out directly to us. Common data modeling efforts are a group activity, and the AMCDM is available on GitHub.